Filipino ka ba? Katoliko ka ba? Kung Filipino Catholic ka, para sa iyo ang video na to. So this year, I have a project to discuss a wonderful book entitled Catechism for Filipino Catholics. Ano ba ito? Sabi dito, this is the official Vatican-approved National Catholic Catechism for the Philippines, entitled Catechism for Filipino Catholics. Ano ba ang characteristics ng librong ito? So, first, it focuses more on the essentials, mga essentials ng ating pananampalataya. So, hindi kaya natin i-discuss ang lahat ng aspeto ng ating pananampalataya because it's so big, as God is so big, the mystery of God is so big, but this book will help us to understand the basic of our faith. Pangalawa, this is experiential or Filipino. Kumbaga, Filipino style. Ito ay nakabase sa ating experiensya bilang mga Pilipino and how we understand our world as a Filipino and also our faith as a Filipino. Kaya makaka-relate tayo. Ang pangatlo, this is Catholic. Though maraming mga Christian denominations sa ating bansa, but we want to focus more on our Catholic faith. Ano ba talaga ang ating pananampalataya bilang isang Katoliko? At panghuli, last but not least, this is practical. This is a practical guide. Sabi dito, this catechism is a book to be used as source to be consulted in practical questions about the faith. So yung mga katanungan sa ating mga pananampalataya ay sasagutin natin sa pamamagitan ng libro ito. So I hope you join me in this journey of faith as pilgrims of hope para masimulan natin na himay-himayin, tuklasin ang kagandahan ng ating pananampalataya bilang mga Pilipinong Katoliko.